In the previous video, we said that bedding sand's got two functions. The first one is to allow the pavers to bed evenly with any highs and lows. The second very important function of bedding sand is to allow for drainage after installation. So today we're going to do a very simple little experiment in order to see the effect of drainage with different types of sand. We've got two samples here. The one is river sand. That is what is specified. That is what we generally use to install paving on. The second one is building sand. Now, building sand is not a good sand to use for paving bedding because it doesn't drain as well, but let's do the experiment and see. So we've got two containers with sand and we've got two glasses of water. What we're going to do today is we're going to pour the water into these two little containers of sand and we're going to see which one drains quicker and more efficiently. And this container drained already. The building sand in that container, still a lot of water on top of it. And the other thing that's going to happen, the building sand is going to remain moist because the clay particles in it absorbs the water and stays moist. With the river sand, it doesn't have the clay, it just will dry out quicker.